Hi everyone, welcome back to another video. So today I have a flamingo design for you. So I'm going in with this Born Pretty polish. This is LM13 and I'm also going to be using this Aimee Lee one as well, and this is 121. I'm going to be using it on these tips today. So the Born Pretty one is a glow in the dark one, which I recently reviewed. I will link it at the end if I remember, so you can check out the video. Born Pretty are also having a sale at the moment, 20% off and free shipping using code SUMMER20. I will have a post at the end anyway, as well as my discount code for Born Pretty and Aimee Lee and Charlie's Nail Art. I'm going to be using some Charlie's Nail Art today. So I'm just going to apply the polishes and cure them, and then I shall be right back. Okay, I'm going to be using this Neon Matte Green glitter and this Cherry Bomb glitter mix from Charlie's. My code did just flash up. So I'm going to be applying a top coat, and then I'm going to be sugaring it. So I'm kind of doing like a pattern kind of type of thing. So I'm going to have the neon green at the bottom and the pink, like a stripe of pink at the top. So you just apply the top coat and then just sprinkle it on. So that's what I'm going to do here. I think I cure it in between. Yes, I did. Did I cure it in between? I can't remember. I did this a couple of weeks ago and I can't remember what I did. Hang on. Yes, I did. I did cure it in between. I just had to sort of like fast forward to see what I did. So yeah, so once you're happy with it, cure it in the lamp, and then just brush off the excess. So that is that one there. Do I apply the pink to this one? I can't remember. I've got such a bad memory at the moment. Yes, I do. So I add another strip of the top coat here, and then I sprinkle on the Cherry Bomb, and then cure it, and then wipe it off. So I will let you watch this bit and then I shall come back. Okay, so on this nail, I'm going to try and show you with the light. I'm going to do like a kind of like French, kind of like a V-shaped French. Is that what you call it? I'm not sure. But anyway, I just apply it, and then I will apply the neon green matte again. I really, really like the neon green. It looks really, really nice. So there you go. I'm showing you there. So I'm going to use this spoon thing, which I got off AliExpress. It will be in a haul video once I get it sorted out. I just need to sort of edit it and everything. So I'm just going to use that just to scoop it on, and then I mean, if you feel that you need to sort of like push it down, just push it down very, very gently. But yeah, just make sure you're not getting covered in uncured gel polish. So I'm going to do that here, and then I shall cure it and then wipe it off again. Okay, so here I'm going to apply the I May Lee Glossy No White Top Coat, and I'm going to do a full sugared nail with the Cherry Bomb Glitter. I just thought, yeah, carry on doing some of the sugaring. I think it worked out really, really well. So I just apply the top coat, sprinkle the glitter on and cure it, and then just take a brush and wipe off the excess glitter. So this is what the sugar nail looks like. It looks really, really nice, really nice. So here I am wiping off the tacky layer because I'm going to be using some foil, which is also from Charlie's as well. I'm going to be using the I May Lee foil glue. I do have a review video of this as well, where I really put it through its paces to really, really test it out. So yeah, you need to check back. I don't know how long ago it was. So I just apply it, put it in the lamp 60 seconds, leave it to cool down for maybe 30 seconds to a minute, and then I just apply the foil over the top. Okay, so this is the foil I'm going to be using. I think it's really, really pretty. It's really, really summery. Lots of different stuff on that foil, and I like that it's in a clear backing as well. So I've just taken out, just cut off which bit I wanted. So as you can see, I've sort of like shaped it because I didn't want the pineapple to be on the nails. So literally I just get the tip and then yep, just rub it over and yep, then take it off. Okay. I'm also going to be using some water decals as well. I just thought these would look really, really nice. So as you know, I do the stamper method just because it's easier for me, but do whichever way that you want to do it. So I just take some water on a brush and just put it on the back. Don't saturate it too much, otherwise it will take ages to dry, and it will just make the stamper so wet. So just yeah, just sort of like just take a small amount and then just spread it on, and then once it's ready they will just slide straight off just like this. So there you go, that's one, and this is number two. I did add another one because I just felt like I needed something like around the bottom, so I'm just going to put this up in this corner just like so, and then I'm going to put this one just in the middle, and then I will get the next one and place it around the bottom just because I felt like it needed something else there. So yeah, so I don't know what I'm doing, but yeah, once I'm happy I just place it on. No, yep. Oh, there you go. I made a decision finally. So now it is top coating time, so I'm going to be using the Madame Glam one. So look at these foils, they turned out so nice, really, really nice. Transfer was so good. So yep, I just put on the top coat, and then I will add a flower from Charlie's just on that green nail that you can see in the corner, and then I will show you what they all look like. So I'm just gonna finish applying this. So I just cure the Madame Glam velvet matte top coat for 30 seconds in the lamp, and then this is this design nearly done. I've just got to add the flower. I will show a clip at the end of it glowing in the dark and it in normal light, and yeah, hopefully you enjoyed this design, and yeah, you like the end result. Let me know your thoughts down below. If you're not subscribed, please consider subscribing, and don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up because it helps with, you know, like the algorithm and all that other stuff. So yeah, thank you so much everybody for watching today, and don't forget to use my discount code if you place any orders. Well, take care, and hopefully I will see you in the next one. Until then, bye.